got you this? Gma. Can you say Grandma?
Grandma.
Grandma and Grandpa?
Say Grandma E.
Grandma E? Hey,
Didi.
hey, can you say it's from Grandma E?
Grandma E.
And Grandpa J?
Grandpa J.
Okay. Go ahead, go crazy, girl. Oh my! That's not your present.
Okay. That means oh my!
What is this?
What is that, girl?
Oh. I'm sure that's for all the dad's blood drawn. It's a little cooler.
Oh, it's
she means.
Let her.
Sorry.
Wow.
What is that? What does it say? Did you see a pig?
Didi, can you turn to me, please?
Here. Turn around. Look at Mommy.
Let Mommy see. There we go.
Here. Turn all this around. There's mail in here.
Wow. Nemo. It does kind of look like Nemo. It's a fishy, huh?
Want me to read the note to you? This is from GPA, okay? This lunch bag is what the blood bank gave me for my 18th gallon of blood donation.
Is that another baby hippo? Yes.
I hope you will be able to donate blood when you grow up.
Wow. A box. Wow.
Is it a box?
Yes.
A box of what?
Wow. Wow. Oh. Wow.
It's a flounder fish. What do you have? What does it say? We love you all. I got this bag.
The baby hippo.
Silly Dad, you wrote the same note
Oh
twice.
no, look at.
So you leave that stays on. Another baby hippo?
Yes. It's the baby brother sister,
Are
huh?
they twins? Aiden, what's in this blue?
Didi, what's in this one right
Hey,
here?
that's right here. Open all that. Look at all that.
Wow. What's on it, girl?
What are they? They look like PJs to me.
What's on the PJs? Good girl. Your hair looks pretty special too. More monkeys. Oh, it's that pretty. Pretty flowers, and there's one more. Your hair is in your eyes, girl. Mama.
These are short sometimes.
Didi, can you look at me? Look at me, Didi.
2 teeth.
And say thank you.
Daddy.
No, this isn't from Daddy. This is from Grandma E. Look into the camera.
E. Look at the camera. Say thank you, Grandma E.
Say thank you, Grandma E.
Thank you, Grandma E.
Look at me.
And thank you, Grandpa J.